Amagqwetha kaMkolo awabuyi ngamva kwizinyanzeliso zawo zokuba makashenxe kweli tyala ujaji Igna Stretch. Emva kokuphanza izihlandlo ezimbini kwesi siphakamiso sawo, la magqwetha exelele inkundla ephakamileyo yaseBhisho ukuba abhenele kwinkundla eyongameleyo yesibheno ukuba imamele isicelo sawo sokuba ithi gubu cala ijaji egqibele eli tyala.
Apparently endeavors were made overnight to draft the papers, the papers to the SCA, which is namely the petition. And I'm told that this morning endeavors have been made to have the petition issued in Bloemfontein. But however, the only outstanding document was her leadership's judgment, which I have just received now, about 5 minutes ago. So that is the only outstanding document.
Ukanti amagqwetha abanye abatyholwa kweli tyala avakalisa udano loluphazamiseko.
For the others, there are serious financial implications when we further postpone these matters in such a fashion. There's quite a fear that by the time that we proceed with hearing of evidence, the funds that have been arranged will be depleted, my lady, to run this matter.
This is opportune time. If the accused number one wishes to exercise his rights, that this court separates his trial from the rest of the accused persons, so that we proceed with this one, and he is suspended pending the outcome of his appeal processes.
Le nkundla isathe nqumama ukunika ithuba umbuso ukuba ucingisise elawo inyathelo elilandelayo ngalomba.